Alright, so the next part is we want to find the correlation. So we look at our table under R, for R, which is right here under chapter 10, correlation, and that's our formula that we use. We need these 6 numbers. So let's find out what those are. So N is just a number of pairs. So if we went back to our scatter plot, it would be how many dots we graphed, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're going to need the sum of the x's. So you add up all the x's, 26 plus 29 plus 32 plus 34 plus 36 plus 37 plus 40. Put those all in their calculator, which I've already done, so I'm just going to write these answers down. 234. Now you put in the sum of the squares, so 26 squared plus 29 squared plus 32 squared plus 34 squared, 36 squared, 37 squared plus 40 squared, and we get 762. Now you do the same thing with the y's. And now the last one is we need the sum of the xy's. This is 48 times 26. I kind of wrote that backwards because this is the, well, this is the x and that is the y. Because from our table, these are the x's. Well, these are the x's, those are the y. So I guess I wrote it backwards. This is the y and that's the x. But addition's commutative, so it doesn't really matter what order you write them in. 29 plus 68, and then 32 times 66 plus 34 times 69 plus 36 times 76 plus 37 times 67 plus 40 times 84, which is 16,253. And there we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that we need to calculate our R. So the R is, now we'll go back to the formula and just kind of pick out the pieces as we need them, right? So N is 7, then the XY is 16,253 minus 234 times 478 all over square root, parentheses 7 times 7962 minus 234 squared. Sorry, we're looking 3. 7 times 33366 minus 478 squared. Alright, so that's what the formula there is telling us to do. Alright, so now we plug that into our calculator. Let's see. So we get 7 times 16,253 minus 234 times 478. Alright, hopefully I'm typing this all right. Parentheses 7 times 7962 minus 234 squared, and then we have 7 times 33366 minus 478 squared, and hit enter. We get 0.861 repeating. So this is rounded off, we'll call R 0.86, like that. So there's our correlation. Alright, so now next part would be to test the correlation.